Money doesn't just appear when you need it. To earn enough money to pay for basic essentials, one must work hard. You must understand the appropriate ways to acquire more spending money if you desire more of it. Because financial troubles are all too prevalent in today's culture, you must understand how to save money. Most people don't get the importance of conserving money. They believe they will have ample opportunity to save money and make investments for the future. However, I believe it is ideal that we begin investing our money from a young age because inflation can start to affect us in our teen years. The rate of inflation has been rising steadily. If there is inflation, it should be curbed by saving some of our money rather than spending it on items that might depreciate in value in the future. Saving money is important since it protects against unforeseen costs. The earlier one starts saving, the better their financial status would be in the future. Saving money is important for many reasons. These include setting aside money for retirement, emergencies, and modest extravagances. It will be helpful to have money in each of these circumstances. It's essential to have money set aside for unforeseen expenses. Even though it's impossible to always foresee the future, having money set aside for specific goals can make life a lot simpler. When accumulating money for this kind of occasion, planning a budget is essential because going overboard could force you to start over with your savings. Saving is crucial in many areas, and it helps people enjoy life more when they buy things they enjoy. I believe that people who will benefit in the future needs to save money. A fundamental percentage of each salary saved aside will serve as the cornerstone for an unforeseen event. As a result, Mod Squad is present at modsquad.com and on our initial website. The task of content moderation will fall to you. What precisely is content moderation? Making sure that what people post online is appropriate for everyone to see in the essence of content moderation. It is your obligation to flag other people's remarks as offensive or otherwise improper so that they can be removed. Additionally, you might need to confirm that user-posted data is correct and free of spam. Among other things, you might be reading chat logs, managing posts in a forum, or using Discord. There are other services as well. In fact, for things like customer service and similar things, you won't want to go to their main website. By clicking the link I've supplied in the description, you can view the page you're actually meant to use to join their team. Even on Indeed, we can see that the usual hourly remuneration for a community association may vary from $10 to $19.10 per hour. So proceed to scroll to the middle of the page where you will discover a button that says Apply Today. Due to the fact that they all belong to the same kind of website, our next website is actually made up of 3 independent websites. You can also generate money using these websites in very similar methods. Your participation in focus groups will be possible thanks to these upcoming websites. Researchers are seeking input on their studies almost everywhere in the world in order to create new products or services or increase scientific understanding. They also want to hear from average people like you and me so they can obtain feedback on various concerns. The nicest thing about these interviews, though, is that you don't have to actually meet the interviewer to have one. You can simply answer their questions with text by doing everything digitally online. Links in the description are given as with everything else, and the first Rankington Insights user to register does so by selecting one of these icons and clicking Register Now. Pinecone Research, you're about to see a happy Asian man in this place. Visit the website for the test items after completing this form and clicking the Sign Up Now option if you desire. To participate in focus groups and submit product reviews, simply click the Sign Up button and provide your name and email address. Once more, refer to all the links in the description. Our feature website, the Text Royal, will allow you to earn money by just typing on your keyboard at textroyal.com. Together, you'll work on a range of different freelance writing jobs, including general writing. For instance, you might help someone write an article on their own website, create posts for social media, essays, or even research papers. This is the link to Text Royal's website. There are links in the description that will get you there, even though it can be really challenging to find the location where you can actually apply to be a writer. You can see, though, that there is some more information that is quite important. You get compensated for each word you complete on these assignments. It also promises that you can earn up to 3 cents for each word. But keep in mind that you won't start with that 3 cents per word cost. Actually, before they actually upgrade you to the other projects to work on, you have to work your way up from 1 penny per word and maintain a respectable score with them for a few projects. Because of this, you must maintain consistency and make sure that your writing is of the highest standard possible. Due to its high life points, the subsequent one will be fantastic. Using life points from the panel, you may actually download this life points software to your Android or iPhone smartphone. The wonderful thing about this is that you can do all of this while on the go because it is an app. This app will resemble a few of the websites I previously mentioned under the focus group category. You could truly be doing this on your couch if you wanted to. You are not obliged to connect to your computer or do anything else. This app is available on the Google Play Store. It has 1 million downloads and a stellar 4.4 star rating. Use the link I provided in the description below to go directly to the sign-up form, where you can start creating your accounts and be taken to the appropriate page from which to download the app. This way you can avoid using the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store to download this app. You may also see that you can withdraw money via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, and other options on their website. Customers on Trustpilot also appear to prefer this company. Because I believe my time is limited, I can't go into much detail regarding life points, but if you're interested, I strongly encourage you to give them a try. Now let's watch the rest of the video. For our upcoming online typing project while working from home, Axion Data is available at axiondata.com. I've already talked about these people, so I won't go into great detail here. I'll simply cover the basics, okay? You will therefore be using Axion Data to enter data. Why is that relevant? Basically, you use your keyboard to enter data entry, and it may involve performing a range of different tasks by yourself at your keyboard. The Axion Data in this case might be helpful. You shouldn't register on Axion Data's homepage even though they provide this data entering service to other companies. You should actually go ahead and click on the link in the description below to find the employment portion of the Axion statistics. Regarding the type of task, you can see certain details. You will serve as an independent contractor for them. As a result, you can set your own hours for work, and even though you work for yourself, this company will still pay you. It also specifies that you will receive a predetermined payment for each document or submission you submit. That simply means you get paid for every successful result. As a result, if you work more rapidly on this platform, you can make more money. Alright, since it may bring in thousands of dollars per month, this next internet opportunity will be a really great one for you to pursue as a side business. But there are certainly other things you guys need to know. I'll elaborate. Visit wingassistant.com to access Wing Assistant. So, what are you going to do with wingassistant.com? As implied by the website's name, Assistants, you will serve as other people's virtual assistant. Like Axion Data, virtual assistants will essentially act as a middleman, the organization that connects you with other businesses in need of virtual support. Their website's URL is as follows. You won't just be writing emails or other written content most likely. There are plenty of other things you might be doing over here. Preparing for a vacation or answering calls, for example. As a result, much more skill is needed here, although you still need the basic skills of typing reports and responding to emails. It is quite helpful to note on their main website that the price that Wing Assistant charges these people to have assistants working for them can range from $499 a month to even $1,699 a month if you have 2 full-time assistants. Therefore, depending on how much work you guys actually end up accomplishing, it's probable that the amount you'll get paid as a part-time or full-time employee falls somewhere in between these two numbers. As a result, even merely helping others with their daily tasks and typing up documents might potentially make you several thousands of dollars a month if you want to take on multiple clients. Of course, you don't wish to use this website almost as normal. To sign up to be an assistant, just click the link below. Now you need to use this website, and it accepts applications from people from a variety of socioeconomic and geographic backgrounds. For instance, Mexico, the Philippines, India, and the United States, so that is precisely how you start your application for this particular post. The name of our next online side business opportunity where you can earn money is My Points. As a result, this one will be somewhat comparable to Life Points, as you may have already figured. However, the feature I liked most about this one is that after you sign up and confirm your account, they'll even give you a bonus of 10 gift cards. The biggest welcome bonus I've maybe ever seen on one of these websites is probably that one. It's somewhat substantial and looks like Life Points. You will be able to answer questions and surveys that will help you earn points that you can then use for rewards. There is also a mobile app available. Although you can download it on your phone, I'd stick to using their website because I personally believe it's kind of lame. You can sign up for the My Points website by clicking on the links I've provided in the description down below. You can also see that they openly advertise the free $10 sign-up bonus when you select either a $10 Visa gift card or a $10 Amazon gift card when you sign up. They will most certainly try this if they are fascinated. And that's it. Those are the websites that you can start doing right now and that requires little to no experience. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. See you in the next video. Bye!